Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up hooks. Hooks are a fundamental addition to React, allowing you to manage state and side effects in functional components. They provide a more direct API to the React concept you already know, like props, state, context, and refs. This approach simplifies component logic and promotes code reuse, making your applications more maintainable and easier to understand. Let's dive into the specifics. The useState hook is your goda for adding state to functional components. When you call useState, it returns an array with two items, the current state value and a function to update that value. For instance, you might initialize a counter with a value of 0. To update it, you simply call the setter function with the new value. This makes managing dynamic data within your component straightforward and efficient. Next, let's explore the useEffect hook, which is crucial for handling side effects like data fetching, subscriptions, or manually changing the DOM. By default, useEffect runs after every render, but you can control this behavior by providing a dependency array. If you return a function from useEffect, it will be executed when the component unmounts or before the effect runs again, ensuring proper cleanup and preventing potential memory leaks. Finally, let's talk about custom hooks and best practices. Custom hooks are a powerful way to extract and reuse stateful logic, promoting cleaner and more modular code. They are simply JavaScript functions that start with the word use. Remember to always follow the rules of hooks. Call them only at the top level of your functional components and not inside loops, conditions, or nested functions. This ensures predictable behavior and avoids common pitfalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.